triple tree from Pelikan with a frame and 3 pieces. The frame has 2 openings, big opening, small opening. The 3 pieces, different size, different shape. The object is to put all the 3 pieces inside the frame in such way that both openings are covered. The size inside it's like a cube, 3 by 3 by 3, and the big opening it's 2 by 2 by 2, small opening 1 by 1 by 1. It'll be the easy one to cover. Tricky one, 2 by 2 by 2. Before to put inside the frame the piece, it's better to try to find a shape that can go inside and we can move easily the piece. Okay. Let me see. I also see some, no, that's tricky, something like that. Oops. No. Okay, let me see. Ah, here, okay. Oops. Okay, something's just, no, like that. Okay, I got my opening, big opening will be covered by this, and a small opening be covered by that. Okay, that's one piece. This one, okay. No, I'm going to start with this piece, go inside, and like you see we have big chunk outside. That gives me plenty of room to work inside. Okay, maybe this one, if I make this one, oh, I have a problem. No, now we get, okay, this one. Okay, now only find a way to put this one inside. Okay, this one I can move up, and this one can pass below this one. And that, I can put this piece like that, and move like that. Okay. No, I need to bring back this piece. Like that. I still need to bring down this piece. So in that case I can move this one to the left and after bring back to me. Okay, now this piece I need to move this one up one, move that piece, and finally I think I can move this one. No, maybe I make a mistake. I think this one is the last one to go. Okay, let me see. Yes, okay. First bring back this one totally inside like that, and now I can push this piece. Okay, and that one automatically fall, and the puzzle is solved. Both openings are covered, and now outside the frame piece. To unsolve the puzzle is easy. Just check. Take that piece, move the piece up like that. You can take this one, and finally the last piece. And the puzzle is unsolved.